Hi, I'm Trevor Collier, a programmer with Airwave, and I'm going to go over the R5 non-display with you. To turn on and change the volume of your R5 non-display radio, take the knob on the far side and turn it clockwise until you hear a click. The radio will now turn on, and after a short boot cycle, you will hear an audio tone. Turning the knob further clockwise raises your volume. Up to a certain point, you will not be able to turn it anymore. Turning it counterclockwise lowers your volume until you meet resistance. Continue turning it counterclockwise and you will turn the radio off. To change the channel on your R5 non-display radios, you have a knob on the center with dots on it labeled 1 through 16. This radio can host up to 16 channels. If you change it to a channel that you do not have programmed, you will get a constant tone until you go back to a channel that is. On the R5 non-display radio, you have your volume power knob on the far side, channel knob on the middle, a PTT button on the side, as well as 2 reprogrammable buttons. In order to activate scan on this radio, you will press the button that we have assigned to scan, and you will hear a tone and the amber light will start blinking. In order to turn scan off, hit that same button again. That light should go off. You are no longer scanning. In order to connect accessories to your R5 non-display radio, turn the radio to the side to remove the dust cover, pull the tab until you see the red strip, then pull the dust cover away and out. Then take your accessory, place the tab into that slot, press down, slide this in, and press the tab down until it is flush with the device. You should not see any bump on the lock. Whenever you connect a device, you should hear a tone. Whenever you disconnect the device using the same method, you should also hear it remove. To put your dust cover back on, place the tab inside the slot, push down, and secure the tab until the red strip goes away. In order to remove the battery on your R5 non-display radio, go to the bottom, pull the tab out of the lock until you are able to push down on it, then push on the belt clip towards the bottom of the radio until the battery dislodges. To put the battery back on the radio, place it on the radio until it is flush and slide it in until that tab comes in, and you may then lock it into position. To find out the manufacturing date of your battery, you will look for the 4-digit date code above serial code on the battery towards the center. The first 2 digits of that number will tell you the last 2 numbers of the year it was manufactured, and the last 2 numbers of that date code will tell you the week in that year it was manufactured. This battery was manufactured in the 32nd week of 2025. I'm Trevor Collier, a programmer with Airwave, and this has been the R5 non-display radio. If you have any questions or concerns, you can find on the back of your radio on the belt clip a sticker with the phone number that you can use to contact us at any time.